All right, bike ride commence now. Yeah, good. Hell, if we don't go all the way to Bouchon, I don't care. I mean.
Oh no, we gotta go Bouchon. We're gonna get our croissant. He said if we don't go to Bouchon, it's okay.
Oh,
I said we go to Bouchon to get our croissant.
wait, why did you do that?
Oh, he's in line. He wants to get a baguette. So. He wants to get a baguette for all this.
I don't want to forget.
So, he wants to get it. So do you want to sit at the bench or? Yeah, he wants to get a baguette.
Yeah, where's the baguette? And then all of us can just eat it.